is one of the best networking opportunities out in the marketplace because you get to actually meet a wide variety of healthcare providers from all different walks of life and also all different types of institutions.
I enjoy the topics, I enjoy the camaraderie, I enjoy my fellow colleagues, and I always learn something every day.
The workshop was a great hands-on way to get some extra instructions. The presenters were amazing. They gave clinical pearls that you just cannot get just from the textbook, so it was a great hands-on experience.